Remember, it is not winning, it is the spirit of participation and giving your best. So let's move forward and celebrate each other's achievement. Morning all of you. Today I am Rhythm here to host today's precious ceremony of prize distribution. In order, I request our Honorable Chairman Sir, Principal Sir, with Pre-Primary Coordinator Ms. Nisha Verma Ma'am to felicitate the achievers of Pre-Primary Wing. Here, the first competition is Hindi storytelling competition from nursery to UKG. The third rank is grabbed by Kivish of UKG D. Second rank is grabbed by Ashish of UKG C. Please give a round of applause to him. The first rank is grabbed by Manan of UKG C. Everybody is a star and deserve right to twinkle. With this quote, I request the winners of English storytelling competition from nursery to UKG. The third rank is grabbed by Daksh Dhaka of UKG A. The second rank is grabbed by Kivish of UKG D. And the first rank is grabbed by Ritu of LKG A. Success is not final and failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue the battle. With these lines, I request Primary Coordinator Ms. Sangamitra Mahana Ma'am to felicitate the achievers of their wing. The third competition is English calligraphy competition from 1st to 5th, in which third rank is grabbed by Ojashvi of 5th A. And the second rank is grabbed by Gunjita of 4th B. I also call the house tutors of their particular house. The second rank is grabbed by Gunjita of 4th B from Sivalik house. And the first rank is grabbed by Angel Sharma of 3rd B from Sivalik house. Again, the fourth competition is famous female personalities from 1st to 5th. It was inter-class competition. The third rank is grabbed by Riya of 1st A. The second rank is grabbed by Mansi of 3rd B. And the first rank is grabbed by Krati of 2nd B. Here, the fifth competition is Hindi calligraphy competition of inter-house from 1st to 5th class. The third rank is grabbed by Gunjan of 4th B from Rauli house. I also like to call the house tutors of their house. The second rank is grabbed by R.V. Chahar of Nilgiri house from 5th A. And the first rank is grabbed by Mayank of 4th B from Rauli house. Now I would like to call Middle Coordinator Ms. Sujita Somra Ma'am to felicitate the prize holders. The sixth competition is English calligraphy competition from 6th to 7th class of inter-house. The third rank is grabbed by Ritika of 8th B from Arauli house. The second rank is grabbed by Sumit of 8th B from Arauli house. And And the first rank is grabbed by Riddhi Parikh of 8th B from Aravali House. The next competition is Hindi poem recitation competition of inter-house from 6th to 8th class. The third rank is grabbed by Tanusha of 8th B from Sivalik House. The second rank is grabbed by Samiksha of 7th A from Nilgiri House. And the first rank is grabbed by Ashmi of 8th B from Aravali House. The next competition is English essay writing competition from 9th to 12th class of inter-house. I also request Senior Coordinator Mr. Inder sir to felicitate the prize holders. The third rank is grabbed by Ashna Jangir of 12th Commerce from Nilgiri House. And the second rank is grabbed by Kushant of 10th PFA from Sivalik House. And the first rank is grabbed by Priya from 12th Mets of Udaygiri House.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to call Rhythm to my left hand side. Rhythm, please. Rhythm, the girl who was doing anchoring, please come. Stand on my left side. Respected teachers and their students, you might have seen that generally when we are doing the felicitation program in our school, there are 2 students who in pair try to do the anchoring. But today, she is the only girl, the lone girl who really completed the entire felicitation anchoring. So give a huge round of applause to Rhythm. And likewise, we happen to find that we are aligning all-round development of the child, academic, co-curricular, games, sports, felicitation, participation, public speaking, etc. So many things. So proper, representation of the activities and learning really makes us little energetic, and it gives us a variety of exposure of ours so as to run away or keep away the monotony of learning. Keeping same thing in the mind, we have seen that the 3 students of 12th Bio today spoke the topic which were on the spot almost. It is extempore. We already finished with class 12th maths. Now class 12th Bio is going on. As we know well, very soon board classes will get inside. They will not be part of assembly for the purpose of doing their academics better. So I once again remind everyone, those who are left with, that they really need to prepare themselves properly to face at least once the stage in their whole life. On the very outset for this felicitation program, I congratulate all the winners. And my special congratulations to the teachers, those who prepared these students for the effective participation and to come to the level where they are really bringing laurels to themselves and their family. Please do always support such kind of participants.